Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to mirror phone screen to PC. So, let's start it.
Jack it up.
First, open Setting. Click Apps. Click Optional Features. Click Add a feature. Scroll down and check Wireless Display. Click Install. Now installing. Waited patiently to finish. You can add or remove other features. You can view history of optional feature. Now, you can see the history. After that, close it. It's now finished installation. Close Setting. Search Connect. You can see like this. You can pin it to taskbar and start. I'll pin it to taskbar. You can see it on taskbar now. So, open it. You can see the name of the device. You can maximize it or minimize it, and you can resize it. In your smartphone, scroll down and search Smart View or Cast. In this video, I used Samsung phone, so search Smart View and tap it. You can see your computer's name and tap it. Now, connecting phone to PC. It's all done. Now we can see phone screen on PC. Let's open a video with sound. You can also hear the sound. Bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.